It's a rev your engine. I feel like we haven't had a rev your engine in forever. The first one of 2025, it's gonna be Snappy Does It. All right, we have 3 rounds and 3 out rounds only. When have I ever told you the rounds up front? Happy New Year, people. You're gonna need, ideally, I'm using my leg weights. You can have 1 or 2, but you know, accommodate as you need, depending on how you are feeling this morning. Okay, our upper body exercise is going to be push-ups on the ground. So, you know, and our number today is just 10. So let's get going. Make sure you got some water nearby, a towel, and if you've got a heart rate monitor, let's start it up. I would like you to pick something like cross training, because we are going to be doing strength training and some cardio this morning. Okay, it's a silent training day, so if you want some music on your hand, go right ahead. I'm going to start up the clock so I can keep track of what's happening. There we go. Yeah, all right. Give me a nice big inhale and exhale. When you do that big inhale, lift the ribs away from the hips. Look at the hands as they touch. Give me 1 more. Beautiful job. All right, now I want you to just grab your knee, your shin, and pull it up into your chest. So you're kind of stretching that lower back. Yeah, opening like the back of the hip, the glutes. Good. And just alternate at your own pace. You can hold it for a little bit longer than me. You can go a little bit quicker than me. Up to you. Nice job. Let's do 1 more each side. So the right side and then the left side. And now we're going to do the exact opposite movement. Heel to butt, but this time both hands need to reach back and grab your foot as best as you can. And I'd like you to kind of push the belly button forward so you get a little bit of a stretch in the front body now. Alternate at your own pace. Good. All right. Give me 1 more on each side. So let's do the right and then the left. Beautiful job. Open your legs nice and wide. Release your hips. Good. Go to the edge of that barrel. Yes. As Chris would say, get the treacle. All right, let's reverse the direction. Really stretch it out. Take your time here. 1 more big circle. All right, let's place our hands just north of the knees and give me a nice cat-cow. It's a big cat-cow. You're kind of high up. 1 more time. 1 more cat, 1 more cow. And then let's transition to elbows above the knees. A little bit lower. And some cat-cow. Now, with this cat-cow, include the movement of the head. Tuck the chin, lengthen the neck. Beautiful job. All right, let's take our hands to the ground. Let's find ourselves on all 4s. Beautiful. Keeping your knees on the ground, push back into child pose, and then come forward into up dog or cobra. Good. And then back into that child pose, back into up dog or cobra. Up to you. That's it. Nice. Excellent job. All right, come back to all 4s, regardless of where you are. Take your right leg all the way forward, half runner's lunge. Good, sink into it. And switch it out. Come back into all 4s and left leg forward, half runner's lunge on the other side. Adjust, move your hands as you need. Yes. Beautiful job. Okay, back to all 4s. Tuck your toes, drive your butt up, straighten your legs, give me a nice down dog. And in that down dog, I want you to walk your dog. So bending 1 knee at a time. And then slowly walk your hands to your feet to come into a forward fold. Deep bend in the knees, roll it all the way up to standing. Give me a nice little easy march for about a minute and a half. So I just want you to kind of, you can hop, you can skip, you can march, you can jog, you can do a high knee, you can do a kick your butt, doesn't matter. 1.5 minutes of movement. Now, while we're doing this, kind of do a little inventory. Let's start from the bottom. How are those feet feeling? Ankles, calves, knees. How is that lower part of the leg? Any issues there? Any discomfort? Okay, let's go a little bit further up. Let's think about the calves. Not the calves, the thighs. That's what I wanted to say, and your hamstrings, into your glutes and hips. How are you feeling there? All right, now slide it all up. So the back, lower back, mid back, upper back, chest, stomach, shoulders, any discomfort? Arms, your fingers, your wrists, your elbows. And back up into the neck. Your head, how are you feeling? All right, so you've taken a note of that discomfort. And you're just going to make sure that you accommodate for that. Good, we're nearly done. I'm a little bit warm. Shake it out, that's 5 minutes. All right, now, whatever you felt, maybe you need to stretch it out a little bit, shake it out a little bit, stretch it out a little bit, or just grab some water, depends how you're feeling. Okay, 3 rounds and we are done. It's snappy today. I don't know, lately I feel like I've been extending the workout and I feel like, okay, let's pull it all back in. Let's like reset, make sure we finish on time. Okay. So, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with an overhead carry, which is gonna work the core and it's going to help us with balance and strength. Grab your one weight for me, please. Hold it in each hand and drive it straight up over the head. Make sure you got a nice grip on the weight. All right, and then I just want you to drive your knees up. Think about balance and control. Good. So this is a core workout, so I want you to pull your belly in as you lift your knees. You're gonna alternate. Beautiful. Hold that weight straight up above the head. Now, you move those legs as fast or as slow as you need. You're transitioning weight from one side to the other. That's 30 seconds. We have 30 seconds to go. It's 1 minute only. I know, it's like not an only. Good. Suck the belly in every time you drive that knee up. And I want you to drive that knee as high as you can lift it. Good job. 5 more seconds. Beautiful. Let's get rid of that weight safely. Put it back on the ground. Come back to me. We have a little 15-second break, and then we have 1 minute of jumping jacks. Any variation of jumping jack, this is your cardio. So you don't even have to jump if you don't want to. We're doing some jumping jacks here because I want us to work a little bit of that calf. So it's just 1 minute here. "30 seconds to go." Try and get those hands above the head. Makes the heart work a little bit harder. 15 seconds, can you speed it up? Get in a few extra. Nice. Beautiful job. 5 seconds. And rest. 15-second break here. Beautiful. Grab your 2 weights or 1 weight if you feel like it. Up to you. 10 squats. Legs hip width. 3, 2, 1, as deep as you can go. Give me one more. Good job. Get rid of the weights. 15-second break. All right. Try and get down on the ground without using your hands. Beautiful. All right. 10 push-ups. All right, we are going to change up these push-ups. When we come down, we're on our toes. When we push up, we're on our knees. Are you ready? Just 10 of them, let's go. So on the toes, everyone, let's go. Take it down, drop to the knees, push up. 1. On your toes, down, drop to your knees, push up. 2. On your toes, down, knees, push up. 3. Come on. On the toes, down, knees, push up. 4. Onto the toes, lift the knees off the ground, take it down. Drop the knees, push it up. 5. We have 5 more. Can you squeeze them out? So this makes us slow down the push-up a little bit, gaining some strength and control and balance with the body. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. Good job. Come up to standing. Grab one weight this time, 15-second break. Get the weight on the chest. Reverse lunges, 10 of them, right leg only. 3, 2, 1, let's go. As deep as you can go. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, give me 1 more. Switch it out, left leg, reverse. 3, 2, 1. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, deep as you can. 4, 3, 2, give me 1 more, and 1. Get rid of the weight. 1 minute break. That's around, oh my gosh, huh? Not too bad. Yeah? Pretty quick. Catch your breath, wipe, drink. All right. We have about 20 seconds for round 2. We're adding on the carry and the cardio. Okay? Let's pick up that 1 weight. So we're gonna start with that and we're gonna end with that. So round 2 is gonna be a little bit longer. Grab that weight up over the head. March it out. Let's go. Suck the belly in. You want to lift the chest. Want to drive the knee as high as you can. If you can, safely take a look at how high I'm lifting my knee. It's higher than the hip. And I'm pulling my belly button in. So it's a weighted march. As fast or as slow as you want. This helps with balance. We have 20 more seconds here. Nice job. You got this. Ooh, feeling that in my arms. How about you? 5, 4, 3, 2, get rid of the weight. 15-second break. Get ready for the 1 minute of cardio. Jumping jacks. That's it. All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Any variation of jumping jack. I'd like you to kind of get the heels on and off the ground so you get a little bit of calf strengthening here. 30 seconds. Come on, finish strong with me. Any variation of the jumping jack and rest. Good job. 15-second break. Grab your 2 weights. Squats. Legs hip width. 3, 2, 1. 10 squats as deep as you can go. Let's do this. Give me 1 more. Well done. Good. Get rid of the weights. 15-second break. All right, this time around, we're gonna have the knees down when we push down in the push-up, knees off the ground when we push back up, so the reverse. That's your 15-second break. Let's get down on the ground. Try and get down without using any assistance with your hands. Okay, so we're going to start knees down. We have 10 of them only, and there's a little pause at the bottom, so make sure you hold it. Let's go. So knees down, come down. Lift your knees, push up. 10, knees down. Lift your knees, push up. 9, knees down. It's a little bit harder. Lift your knees. 8, knees down. Lift your knees. 7, good. 6, so knees down when you come down, knees up when you push up. 5, 4, 3, you got this. Lift those knees, push up. 2, 1 more, knees down. I know, come on. Push up. Good. Can you stand it up? 15-second break. Nice. Heading into the lunges. Are you ready? Pick up that weight, 1 of them please. Now this time it's a forward lunge. Starting with the left leg. So we're stepping forward, make sure you got some room. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Left leg only, 10. 9, you go as deep as you can. 8. 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a moment here, right leg now, forward lunge. 3, 2, 1, 10 of them. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, step forward, come as low as you can. 2 more. 1 more. Good job. Get rid of the weight. 15-second break. One minute of cardio. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Give me that jumping jack. Round 2, minute 2 of cardio. Yeah. Any variation of the jumping jack. Just try and get some heel raises in there. And try and get those hands up over the head. That's 30 seconds to go. Last 15. Can you speed it up? Take a break. 15 seconds. We're going to do that overhead carry. That's your 15-second break. Grab the one weight. Up over the head. Make sure you got a nice grip on it. Straight up. Marches. Let's go. At your own pace. This is the last exercise of round 2. Nice job. That's 30 seconds to go. Make sure that weight is straight above the head. Pull the shoulder blades out, push the shoulders up to the ears. Drive those knees as high as you can. Suck the belly in. 15 seconds. Five seconds, we're nearly there. And rest. 1 minute break. We're at the end of round 2. Nice. Third and final round. We're going to have 3 minutes of the carry, 3 minutes of the jumping jacks. All right? All right. Catch your breath, wipe drink. Third and final round. I told you it was going to be quick. I didn't realize it was going to be this quick, but heck. All right, that's your minute up. Heading into round 3, we're going to start with that overhead carry. Let's grab our weight. So we're going to have 3 minutes of this. 1 minute rounds. Grab that weight. Hold it nice and tight, steady, straight up over the hand. March it out. 1 minute. Drive that knee as high as you can, your pace. So the idea here is stability. That's 30 seconds to go. Nice. Nice and steady, arms straight, shoulders to the ears. 5 seconds. Get rid of the weight. Nice job. 15-second break, heading into 1 minute of jumping jacks. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, give me that 1 minute. Any variation of jumping jacks? Challenge yourself here. Maybe you add a little hop. Maybe you go a little faster. Maybe the range of motion's a little bit bigger. Good job. Thirty seconds to go. Ten seconds, come on, push it. Nice job. 15-second break. All right, we're gonna come back to that carry and the jumping jacks 2 more times in this round. Okay, that's your 15-second break. Grab both your weights heading into the squats. Legs hip width. Give me 10 squats. Let's go nice and deep as you can. 3, 2, 1. Pump it out. One more. Good job. Get rid of the weights. 15-second break. Okay, we're gonna go back to that carry for our 2nd minute. Pick up one weight. Secure it. 1 minute overhead. March it out, let's go. This is your 2nd round here. We have 3 of these in round 3. 1 in round 1, 2 in round 2, 3 in round 3. All right, that's 30 seconds. 30 more seconds, nice and tall. Make sure you got a good grip on it. For me, my grip's getting harder. Come on, drive those knees up. 10 seconds left. And put it down. 15-second break. Breathe. Heading to the push-ups. This time, I want you to try and do as many push-ups on your toes, whatever you can squeeze out, okay? That's your 15-second break. Come down on the ground without using your hands. I know. All right, are we ready? On your toes for all 10. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stand it up. Nice job. There's your 30 push-ups. Well done. 15-second break. We're heading into that second minute of jumping jacks. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1 minute jumping jacks. 1 minute jumping jacks in round 1. 2 minutes of jumping jacks in round 2. And we're going to have a total of 3 minutes of jumping jacks in round 3. That's going to give us about 6 minutes. Right? Not too intensive on the cardio. That's all right. Thursday is going to be a big cross-training cardio day. So we're just varying it up here. Try and make sure you get those heels off the ground. This is a 45-second block, 15 seconds to go. And rest. 15-second break. Good. Okay. Now the lunges. Last set are going to be walking lunges. We're going to take the leg back and forward. All right, for 10. I'd like you to try and able to step back and then step forward without putting the leg. But if you need to reassess and regain your balance, putting it down in the middle is an option. All right, guys, that is more than a 15-second break. Pick up the 1 weight, please. We're going to start with the right leg. Make sure you got some room behind you and in front of you. Test it out. Okay, starting with the reverse lunge first. 3, 2, 1. All right, step it back and then come up, step it all the way forward. 10, back, walking lunge. That's 9, 8. If you need to go a little slower than me, that's okay. 7, 6, 5. Deep bend in the knee. 4, 3, 2. All right, take it back. Take it forward. Good. Short break, put the weight down. 15 seconds. Same thing, left leg. That's your 15-second break. Pick up that weight. Left leg only. Starting with the reverse. Test it out. Make sure you got some room. 3, 2, 1. Take it back first. 10 and forward. 9. 9. That's it. Oh, 8. Lost my balance there. That's okay. I just reset. Do what I need to accommodate. 7. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just have to keep moving. Keep trying. 6. 5. As deep a bend as you can with those knees. 4. 3. There and back. 2. All right, everybody, come in with me. Take it back. Take it forward. Stand tall, get the weights out of the way. 15-second break. Heading into jumping jacks. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Third and final minute here of jumping jacks. The workout is over. Short and sweet. Whew. Who is this person, Suzanne? We will finish this workout in about 45 minutes. Push yourself here. "30 seconds, 30 to go." "15 seconds, come on. Get uncomfortable. And rest. 15-second break. 1 more minute. The workout has 1 more minute of work. It's that overhead carry. Your 15 seconds is up. Grab that one weight. Make sure you got a good grip on it, especially since you are tired. Make sure you're holding it nice and tight, firm. Drive it up over the head. 1 minute march. Proud of you. Proud of you for showing up on this Tuesday morning, on whatever day it is you're doing this video. 15 seconds done, 45 to go. Drive those knees up. Some core work, some mobility work, some balance work here. And strength. 30 down, 30 to go. Come on. Standing on one leg is really beneficial to your overall health. That's 45 done, 15 to go. We are done, guys, we are done. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And get rid of the weight. Oh, happy to put that down. 1 minute, wipe drink. Whew. Oh, well done. Whew. Oh, we gotta call this workout a quickie. Whew. Yeah. Take a sip of some water. Cheers. Cheers to our workout well done. All right. Now the cool down. All right, your minute is up. If you can, come back to me, let's tap it out. Fabulous work. I hope you felt that. Yeah, slightly different pace and intensity. A little bit shorter. And like I said, we're gonna have Crush This Circuit on Thursday. So that's, you know, go, 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 right? All right, so open your legs nice and wide for me, please. And let's just release the hips. Beautiful job. One more big circle in this direction. And now I'd like you to reverse it. 3 big circles in the other direction. Treacle out of the barrel, come on. That's it, good job. Now, elbows above the knee, give me a nice cat-cow. Oh. Make sure you're moving your head in this cat-cow. So tucking the chin, lifting the chin. Beautiful job. All right, take the hands north of the knees and a little bit higher cat-cow. I find for me, when I'm in this position, I can really focus on moving the pelvis. And let's roll it up to standing. Beautiful. All your weight on your left leg for me, please. Right knee, grab your shin. Stand nice and tall. Pull it in a little bit more so the thigh touch the abdominal. Release the left hand, find your balance. Take that left hand out to the side. Pull that right knee open. So position, get in primal squat. Excellent. Rotate that ankle. Other direction. Beautiful. Without putting that right leg down, left hand goes straight up in the air, right hand into a quad stretch. Can you do that without falling over? I nearly did. Don't worry. You did it. Fantastic. Good. Push the hips forward. Give me a little arch. Belly button forward, chin up. Good. Now bend the left knee so you can pull that right knee back a little bit. Fabulous job. All right, release that right leg all the way in front. Stretch out the hamstring. Grab your toe if you can. Excellent. Shake it out. Let's stretch out the chest. Look at it from the side. Clasp the hands behind. Pull the hands down, lift the chest up, squeeze the shoulder blades together, drop the head back. Good. Release it, round and release. Good. Let's stretch out the shoulder. Okay. Let's take that hand behind, pull it. Good. Left hand, shoulder. Take that hand behind, pull it. Chest up. Good. Shake it out. All the weight on the right leg, grab your shin, knee to chest. Pull it in a little bit closer. Try and get the thigh to touch the abdominals. Release that right hand, open up to the left. Good, rotate the ankle. Other direction. Take that right hand straight up, transition into a quad stretch. Okay, so you see I gotta do a little shift, a little shuffle. Good, nice and tall. All right, bend that standing leg so you can bring that left knee back a little bit more. Excellent, drop that left knee out in front. Give me a little hamstring. Grab the toe if you can. Good, come to standing, release. Let those hands swing. Beautiful. All right, stretch out the bicep. Shake out the feet. The other side, other bicep. Toe tap. Good. All right, roll those shoulders up and back. And give me 3 big inhales. Big inhale, look at the hands as they touch. Exhale, bend the knees deeply, let the fingertips sweep the ground. Big inhale, bend those knees, come on. Excellent. Oh, 2 more times. Sweep the ground, bend those knees. That's crucial, that bending of the knee, that ability to stand back up. 1 more time, bend the knees, graze the fingers on the ground. Come to standing, look at your hands as they touch above the head. Prayer arms down through the center to the heart of the matter. Oh, thank you so much for working out with me today. Always such a pleasure to have you and join in with you. I hope you're enjoying it. And have a good one. See ya. Toodaloo.